10 animals so strange you'd think they're fake, but they're real. You might think you've seen it all, but the animal kingdom hides secrets that seem straight out of another planet. Earth, this vast, wild world, still harbors creatures so bizarre, fascinating, and improbable that you'll have to read twice to believe they truly exist. And the most surprising part? Many of these species have only been discovered recently, or remain so hidden in their remote habitats that very few humans have ever seen them up close. Ready to embark on a real journey through nature's weirdest side? Take a deep breath and dive into the 10 strangest animals on planet Earth. 1. Blobfish, Psychrolus marcitus, the marshmallow of the deep. Imagine a sad, melting face, like a wax figure left out in the sun. That's the blobfish, which lives over 1,000 meters deep in the Pacific Ocean. Down there, it's perfectly adapted to extreme pressure. Its body is made almost entirely of a jelly-like substance, less dense than water. Outside the ocean, it simply collapses. Its out-of-water look is so bizarre that it was voted the world's ugliest animal in a British contest, and for good reason. But that ugliness is just a matter of perspective. Deep below, it's a survival genius. 2. Narwhal, Monodon monoceros, the unicorn of the ocean. If you think unicorns are fictional creatures, meet the narwhal. This Arctic cetacean has a spiral tooth growing straight through its head, reaching up to 10 feet, 3 meters, in length. But it's not a horn. It's an oversized canine, usually found on males. Scientists still debate the tusk's true purpose, from mating rituals to sensing ocean changes. Rare and elusive, narwhals are ice phantoms, and perhaps the most real inspiration behind legends. 3. Dobintonia madagascariensis, the wood-tapping primate. Picture this. You're deep in a dark Madagascar forest. Suddenly, you hear a hollow tapping sound. Talk, talk, talk. It's not a branch falling. It's the a nocturnal primate with a spooky appearance, using its long, skeletal middle finger as a hunting tool. It taps trees to locate larvae with astonishing biological sonar, then pierces the wood and pulls the prey out with surgical precision. Its eerie look earned it a reputation as a bad omen among local communities. Many avoid or even kill it. But scientifically, the is an evolutionary marvel. 4. Star-nosed mole, Condylura cristata, nature's most sensitive nose. It looks like someone glued a tiny sea anemone onto this creature's face. The star-nosed mole lives in North America and has 22 mobile tentacles on its nose, with over 25,000 touch receptors. With them, it can detect vibrations, identify prey, and even see underground, all in milliseconds. In fact, it holds the record as the fastest-eating mammal on Earth, taking under 0.2 seconds to identify and consume a meal. That's what you call efficiency. 5. Blue dragon, Glaucus atlanticus, the ocean's Pokemon. Small, delicate, and shimmering with metallic blue tones. The blue dragon is a sea slug that looks like a creature from a sci-fi artist's sketchbook. It floats upside down on ocean currents, using air bubbles for buoyancy. But don't be fooled by the beauty. It feeds on venomous jellyfish like the Portuguese man o' war and stores their toxins to use as its own defense. Basically, it's a living biological weapon, beautiful and deadly. 6. Red-lipped batfish, Ogchocephalus darwini, the underwater seducer. From the mysterious waters of the Galapagos Islands comes a creature that looks like it walked off a cartoon. This batfish walks along the ocean floor using fins shaped like legs, and it sports bright red lips that look freshly painted. Despite its comical appearance, it's a stealthy predator, using a built-in fishing rod on its head to lure prey. Nature and fashion, why not both? 7. Okapi, Okapia johnstoni, the animal that was once a myth. For centuries, people in the Congo told tales of a striped animal that looked like a zebra but walked like a giraffe. Nobody believed them, until European explorers confirmed the okapi's existence in the early 20th century. A close relative of the giraffe, the okapi is a striking mix: a long neck, sleek legs, and zebra-like stripes on its hindquarters. So elusive and rare, Even today, it's hard to spot one in the wild. A true forest phantom. 8. Axolotl, Ambystoma mexicanum, the monster that never grows up. Imagine an animal that never grows out of its baby phase. Sounds like fantasy? Not for the axolotl. This Mexican amphibian lives its whole life in a juvenile state, with feathery external gills, a wide-eyed baby face, and a permanent smile. But that's not all. It can regenerate limbs, parts of its heart, and even brain tissue. This regeneration superpower has made it a hot topic in science labs worldwide. Endangered in the wild, the axolotl is a living biological jewel. 9. Tarsia. Tarsia eyes from another world. With eyes like twin glass marbles, the tarsia is a tiny primate that could easily be mistaken for an alien. Its eyes are so large that each one is bigger than its brain. Native to the forests of Southeast Asia, the tarsia leaps from branch to branch with lightning agility. Its eyes can't move in their sockets, but its neck can rotate 180 degrees like an owl. Cute and creepy in equal measure. 10. Proboscis monkey, Nassalis larvatus, nature's selfie superstar. This monkey from Borneo looks like a cartoon character. Round belly, bewildered expression, and a nose so big it hangs over its mouth. And yes, the bigger the nose, the more attractive the male is to females. Large-nosed males are considered more dominant. What's more, when excited or alarmed, their noses swell even more. These monkeys live in complex social groups and are excellent swimmers, able to dive and hold their breath for long periods. If you thought the nose was just for show, think again. Earth still holds unbelievable secrets. These 10 creatures are just the tip of the iceberg. In the darkest depths of oceans, hidden corners of tropical forests, or even beneath our feet, nature continues to unveil beings that challenge logic, beauty standards, and even science itself. In an increasingly urbanized world, learning about and protecting these bizarre beings is more than just curiosity. It's a way to ensure the extraordinary keeps on existing. So, which one did you find the strangest? Or did one of them actually seem adorable